Drone shots showing the H.H. Brown factory and surrounding town of Martinsburg, Pennsylvania. Drone shot of all of the brand signs on the side of the factory. Interior shot of Luke Sessa, Executive Vice President and General Manager of the H.H. Brown Work and Outdoor Group, walking on the factory floor talking to the camera.
Hi, Luke Sessa from the H.H. Brown Work and Outdoor Group. Our brands include Carolina, Double H, Matterhorn, Corcoran, and Phantom Rider.
Various shots of workers in the factory working and assembling boots.
We're here on the floor of our factory in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania, where we are still making boots here at home and still making American-made boots as we have for over 70 years.
More close-up shots of workers and machine stitching and packing up boots.
We have not moved all of our production overseas to China or over to Mexico. Now, challenges over the past several years have caused us to make some adjustments. We've had to prioritize a lot of our top-selling styles over some of the less performing styles, but we are making as many pairs as we can each and every week.
Patches and boxes indicating that the boots are made in the United States.
Also, as we've been doing for decades, we do import shoes from all over the world, places like Asia and Mexico. This allows us to have a wide variety of different styles and looks for your various different work needs. If American made is what you're looking for and you want to be sure your boots were made here, just look for the American flag. All the boots we make here in Pennsylvania feature an American flag on the side and a Union label on the inside. They're also packed in unmistakable boxes featuring our great flag.
More shots of boot assembly and factory shipping.
Even though our lines do include styles that we import from other countries, we will continue to make boots here and offer unique quality footwear for every job, every worker, and every personal preference that each of you have. None of this would be possible without your continued support, and for that, we thank you.
Closing title with Carolina, Corcoran, Double H, Phantom Rider, and Matterhorn logos on the screen.